So today I came here in search of this lagoon, which I found, and the lagoon is very beautiful. Mountains are gorgeous, but on my way here I saw these bricks. If you wouldn't mind, I want to show you these bricks. So I haven't seen bricks like this since I was a kid. I remember my dad teaching me the masonry, and it's pretty special to see bricks stacked like this. I remember taking the concrete mix and just kind of pasting and stacking them. So thank you, Colombia, for the special memory. Quite a special thing for me to see. Back to the lagoon. It's like you can see for miles. There's hills, there's mountains, a little island inside the lagoon. I'm looking down this hill. It's so green. It's muy verde here. Even up there, like it's like you can't escape the beauty here in Colombia. You got this view, and I'm looking straight ahead, and there's like this fog right in front of this shadowy mountain. Honestly, it'd be a great place to just stand all day and enjoy life. I'm not sure if this is a spring or rainwater, but I'm really starting to understand why it's so green here. It's also very soothing. If I were to buy one of those sleep machines or look up those soothing sleep sound noises, I would want this one to be on there. And also, if I were one of those dinosaurs, I think it's a Brontosaurus, with the long neck that only eat vegetables, this is exactly where I would be. Mi numero uno spot. I'm liking this walk right now. It's like the farther you get down this path, the more it opens up. So like the view expands. And I think that's kind of how life is sometimes. You gotta walk through a storm before you can get to a clearing. Sometimes it lasts a while. But the key is to keep moving forward through it. Eventually, you get to that big clearing, that big clear picture. It's kind of what I'm doing right now. And we're gonna get there. Well, we're getting closer to seeing the full scope of this lagoon. Just feel very calm right now. I hope you can hear those birds. I'm hearing them really clearly, but the thing is, birds usually chirp all the time, all day. But right here, I can really notice them singing. So whether it's that there's other sounds normally that drown them out, or just kind of too busy to notice the birds singing, it's nice that they stand out here, and pretty cool to just listen to them. Should do that more often. Well, we made it. Trip to see the lagoon kind of turned into a reflective journey, which is, I don't know which one is the bonus. Getting to see this beautiful lagoon, or doing some thinking out loud that it's pretty important to me. Definitely well worth it to come down here and see this, though. Who would have thought that I would get that special reminder with those bricks? You know, that was something else. What a great place to be right now.